Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quick save in Expedition 33. In the game, there's no surefire way of quick saving, since when you try to press the escape button on your keyboard, there is no mention of a save button at all, nor is it present anywhere when you try to check your expedition. Now thankfully, there is a way to force it. First thing you have to do is open up the tab for checking your expedition, and in here, choose anyone you want. For example, I'm going to use Verso, and I'm going to change his weapon. Right after that, close the tab, and there should be an indicator at the bottom left saying that a save is being made. And now you just gave yourself a quick save already. You can do the same for changing your skills, changing your pictos, and even your cosmetics. You can access the previous save by pressing escape and clicking this one right here. And there should be 3 options for you to choose from. Now because the game does autosave quite frequently, it could be inconsistent. So exercise caution. And that's how to quick save in Expedition 33.